Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is another haul but with makeup. I ordered from Colourpop, and I got a few things. I normally don't see a lot of hauls from Colourpop, like new hauls, but because Colourpop has like a lot of like cute affordable stuff. And the packaging is really cute. I actually love Colourpop boxes. Like literally, I kept my last order box as a jewelry box and it's sitting over there. And I love them. They are so cute. Like this one has ice creams and hearts on it. Yeah, this one has ice creams and hearts on it. They make sure your stuff in my boxes. Your summertime fine. That is so cute, y'all. And my box is like packed. They actually don't give you a list, do they? Okay, they do give you a list. They do give you a list, but they don't give you a price. So I will leave everything I ordered down below if you want to try any of the things until I get the names right. But they're on the thing. So I got 3. It's not gonna focus. I got 3 lippies. 2 lippies and then 2 glosses. Y'all, I'm in super love with this box. I might have to switch out my jewelry box. Okay, so I got this face duo, and I have the lightweight hydrator and then the lemon seed oil, face oil. I don't know. I feel like I needed some. I never like moisturize my face afterwards. Like I don't just let it dry out. These boxes are so adorable, and I know for a fact that this was $16. It's the duo, that's the hydrator, and this is the oil. Very cute, very cute. And if you guys want to see how this works and stuff like that, I can totally do a review on this if you guys want. So just like, comment, and tell me what you like. I have this little face scrubber because I don't have one. First of all, guys, this looked way bigger in the photo, and this is $5, I think. Okay, next. Then I have this, my brow pencil. I love the brow pencils. I hope this is focusing. I don't think so. I don't think it's focusing. I got it on lock just because it makes me look really weird. But this is it right here. It's just a brown, I think it's a brownish black pencil. I love these pencils. My other pencil did not last long because I broke it because I'm a goofball. But yeah, I'll do a little, show you what the color is because I got the dip with it too, so I may as well show you what it looks like. Okay. Just trying to see how I show you guys. And this is the heck, I can't even see it. If you guys can see that, it's just that color in my brow. This is the brownish black one. Love it, love it. And then this is the dip brow. I wish it would focus automatically, but yeah, this is the dip brow. I'll probably just swirl around my hand. Wow, okay. And it pretty much matches the pencil. I just like, I feel like the dip brow is for like when you actually to draw eyebrows on, like little fine hairs, and the pencil is just to sharpen it out. So yeah. This gloss is so pretty. It looked a bit different online. we will see. It comes with one of those like those brush applicators, which I appreciate, I guess. I guess I can put it on. Okay. It's not what I thought it would be, but yeah. It's not what I thought it would be. I definitely need some liner, but I can't even see how it's swatched out. Sometimes I feel like Colourpop be fooling. And then this is the ultimate gloss one. I was just trying these glosses out. Okay, I like this one. I like this one a little bit better, even though it makes me like a clown. I would never wear this alone. Definitely would have to put like lip liner on. And yes, I'm rubbing my lips off with bubble wrap they provided. And then this is one of the lip pencils I got. I would do a swatch. This is super simple. Yo, I feel like my drawing skills are not up to par. If you can see it, actually I can see it right here. But yeah. So, nice appreciation. Then another one, I feel like I don't know. I don't know if this batch is for me. Is the one next to it. I don't know if this batch is for me. Because every time I try lip pencils, they look pretty crazy. So, I'm going to try it again. I don't know, guys. Then I love this palette. I actually got this palette from my best friend for Christmas, and then I ended up falling in love with it. And then, y'all, I needed another yellow because my other yellow doesn't stay. But this is the lip palette. Lit. And all the colors are super cute, and I wanted one for myself. So I'm going to try them going this way. Okay, that didn't work at all. So we're just going to try them next to the lip liner. And we're going to go with Oh Whatever first. Nope, that's not Oh Whatever first. I need to get better at swatching. Sorry if you guys can hear that. It just started randomly. That's Oh Whatever first. Oh, y'all see that? That's Oh She Got Money. Oh She Got Money. I'm gonna do it like that. This is real creamy, so don't be going wild. That's Mercy. Yo, I'm having fun with Mercy. Wow, I just put that on top. I'm not looking at my mirror at all. I hope you can see that. That's period. Then let me do it. Then that's like. Then that's Baden. And then the yellow is just. Then the yellow is just Chloe. I hope you can see that. But. And then I got this cute little cord. It says Ice Ice Baby. I love them so much. But now I'm just gonna play in this for real, for real. So I hope you guys just like that short little haul. If you want any of these things, the links will be in the description. I know they're having a sale right now for summertime. So guys, if you want anything, go look in the links down below. Everything will be named, and I probably would add prices. And I just want to thank you guys for all the support you continue to show me, and I'll keep posting videos as long as you guys keep liking them. And just thank you guys so much. And we're coming up to like 30 subscribers, so that's a lot to me, and I just want to thank you guys. So like, comment, subscribe. Bye.